Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Tangela and this is Tan Made. On this channel we do affordable DIY decor, lifestyles, and sometimes hauls. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's free. And hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I want to say a heartfelt welcome and thank you to all my subscribers, and I humbly appreciate the support. Now let's get to crafting. So in this project, I took a wood round and 3 styrofoam balls from the Dollar Tree. And also I picked up the Waverly chalk paint and ink, which is a black paint. And I did get it on sale from Walmart. And I'm also taking this Mod Podge in matte, which I also got from Walmart. So I'm just removing everything. And we're going to get all of those ready to be painted. They did have, the wood round did have a few like rough spots, so I just quickly sanded them down with my handheld sander that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then after opening up the styrofoam balls, I just prepared everything again to be painted. And this is just my quick little paint station, a piece of packing paper and my paint. So I painted the wood round all over with the Waverly chalk paint and ink. I painted the front, the sides, the back, and then I set that aside to dry as I painted the styrofoam balls, and I just kind of rolled that around in the paint and brushed it on with the foam brush. After the paint dried, I took the styrofoam balls and just kind of placed them to see where I was going to hot glue them at. And so after doing that, that's what I did. I hot glued them onto my wood round. Got all those little stringy glue pieces is what you see me kind of moving out of the way and fighting with. Then after getting those styrofoam balls placed and glued down, I took the Mod Podge and I just painted the wood round. I painted it all over again. I'm doing that so that you know, the paint doesn't scratch or bleed or anything. And it does go on white, but it does clear. It dries clear. And this is how it turned out. In the next project here, I took 5 styrofoam balls that I got from Dollar Tree out to be spray painted. And as I showed you just now, I'm using the Rust-Oleum paint in white first, and then you'll see me do also some Rust-Oleum paint in stone, just to make my balls, I'm sorry, look like cement balls, if you will. So back inside, I had already painted my the square block you see there. It was a wooden square block that I got from Dollar Tree, and I painted that black and sealed it with some Mod Podge. And then I took my balls after they've been painted, and I'm gonna attach them to the square block. So I hot glued the first one on, and then I'm taking the end of some skewers, wooden skewers, to attach the rest of the balls. And you'll see as I just kind of position the wooden skewer, the end of those wooden skewers, in directions so that I can have my balls go in the directions that I want them to. And after placing all my balls with the wooden skewers, it was feeling just a little bit flimsy to me. So what I did was take my hot glue gun and I just kind of hot glued the balls to one another just to make them more sturdier. And after doing that, this is how it turned out. I really hope that you enjoyed this video today and like the 2 decor pieces that I made, and I hope I inspired you to make them as well. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.